LG Apps is where you can find and manage all the available apps to download on LG's 2021 smart TVs. To access LG Apps, press the Home button on your Magic Remote, which will load the webOS 6.0 homepage. Now find the app list and scroll until you find Apps. Once in Apps, you can either search your desired app by using the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner, or explore LG Apps and choose from suggested apps. When you have found an app you would like to download, simply click on the app and press Install. Once the app is installed, it will then appear on your home screen in the app list.